जागरूक होना पड़ेगा शिक्षा के प्रति। और
Okay, what do you think about Anmol KK Pathak? If he was giving a good platform, then why the our government had decided to go in another side?
No, actually, sir, KK
KK Pathak
is a
has
very
a
good.
he is
means
not
he
a
can
common
crack-
man.
Yeah, he's
जब वो
crack-
अच्छे काम करे तो उनको हटाया क्यों गया?
crack
On the
UPSC exam.
pressure, Nitish comes on the pressure, and due to the some complaint,
in my-
he has to go in outside.
In my thought, when
And if you don't mind, I will take you one few minutes. Then before when he was used to take, I think no one people knows the name of education minister. Even I also have no more knowledge about our education present. But in KK Pathak was a very popular only under 3 and 6 months. Under 3 and approx for 5 months.
So he can do each and everything like
Because वो जिस क्षेत्र में जाते हैं उनका नाम बहुत तेजी से फैलता है.
he can.
अच्छे में भी तो उनका एडवांटेज भी है, डिसएडवांटेज भी है. इस वर्ल्ड में कोई ऐसा इंसान नहीं जिसका एडवांटेज डिसएडवांटेज ना हो. बट उनकी अच्छाई शिक्षा में बच्चा के टंग पर KK पाठक के बारे में नाम आया.
Actually, sir, he can take a role model, means educational role model from a Europe. Like when you see a European culture or a European school timetable or a routine, like they can just fulfill their criteria in Bihar, and that's the golden time. Like every student is compulsory to sit in the class. Your attendance is approx 75%. Without you not able to give exam. So there is a lots of things they can develop. Like he can also force on teacher, and also there is a one unique step. Like he can just like when Nitish Kumar in a second term, he can Samvida Shikshak. So he can pass the rule like the Samvida Shikshak has also give a re-exam to qualify for a state teacher.
मूलभूत चीज़ ये है, आने वाले उम्मीद ये देखा जाता है कि सबसे बड़ी है मानसिकता। बिहार के लोगों की मानसिकता जब तक बदला नहीं जाएगा, जब तक उसमें सुधार नहीं होगा, तब तक आप पूरा सरकार भी करके भी कुछ नहीं।